The OTIDA R7 2025 electric bike is engineered for riders who demand top-tier performance, rugged durability, and modern versatility in a compact folding design. Equipped with a 2000 W high-torque brushless motor, a 48 volts 20Ah long-range lithium battery, and tough 20 x 4.0-inch fat tires, this e-bike delivers exceptional acceleration, terrain capability, and everyday convenience. Whether you're commuting, exploring mountain trails, riding on sand, or navigating snowy paths, the OTIDA R7 is built to handle it all.
As a 2025 upgraded model, the R7 features improved stability, enhanced power delivery, and refined design elements, making it one of the most capable and user-friendly fat-tire electric mountain bikes of its class. The OTIDA R7 delivers serious performance with its 2000 W motor, offering rapid acceleration from a standstill, strong torque for steep hill climbing, stability on loose or uneven surfaces, quiet, energy-efficient operation. Its top speed reaches approximately 50 km per hour, giving riders the power needed for mountain trails, long-range commuting, and adventurous weekend rides.
With its 48 volts 20Ah removable lithium battery, the OTIDA R7 offers 70 to 100 km riding range, pedal assist mode, high-capacity energy storage for consistent power, BMS protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, secure and portable charging options. The large battery capacity allows longer exploration without constant recharging, making it ideal for city travel, off-road tours, and daily use.
The oversized 20-inch fat tires provide unmatched versatility on rocky trails, soft sand, muddy terrain, snow and icy surfaces, urban streets. These all-terrain tires offer excellent grip, shock absorption, and balance, allowing riders to confidently tackle diverse landscapes. Despite its rugged construction, the OTIDA R7 features a foldable aluminum alloy frame, offering easy storage in cars, offices, and small spaces, enhanced portability for travel, corrosion resistance and long-term durability, support for adult riders up to 150 kg. This makes the R7 a perfect choice for riders who need both power and mobility. Designed for both comfort and performance, the R7 includes front hydraulic or spring suspension, rear shock absorber, reduced vibration on rough terrain, improved control at higher speeds. This dual suspension setup provides a smooth experience on trails, roads, or uneven surfaces.
Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, the R7 ensures precise and responsive braking, consistent performance in wet or dry conditions, safety during high-speed descents. High power requires strong braking, and the R7 delivers the control riders need.
The R7's multifunctional LCD screen shows speed, battery percentage, distance and odometer, assist levels, light status, riding mode. Clear visibility ensures riders remain fully informed during every journey.
The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain provides reliable gear changes, control on steep climbs, efficiency on flat roads, flexibility for off-road riding. It works seamlessly with the motor for efficient and comfortable pedaling. Choose the best riding style for your journey. Pure electric mode, full power without pedaling. Pedal assist mode, energy-efficient cruising. Manual mode, traditional cycling. Ideal for commuting, exercise, mountain riding, or long-distance exploration.
Technical specifications: model OTIDA R7 2025 new. Motor 2000 W brushless motor. Battery 48 volts 20Ah high-capacity lithium battery. Top speed 50 km per hour. Range 70 to 100 km pa. Frame foldable aluminum alloy. Tires 20 x 4.0-inch fat tires. Brakes dual disc brakes. Suspension front suspension plus rear shock absorber. Transmission Shimano 7-speed. Display smart LCD digital screen. Max load 150 kg. Use mountain riding, off-road, snow, sand, city commuting.
Why choose the OTIDA R7? High-performance 2000 W motor for demanding terrain. Long-range 48 volts 20Ah battery for extended adventures. Foldable frame combining strength and portability. Fat tires suitable for mountains, snow, and sand. Dual suspension for comfort and control. Reliable braking for safe high-speed riding. Ideal for adult commuters and off-road explorers.